Hello students, how are you all? In today's session, we are going to do maths. We are going to learn count and write. Now, why do we have to learn count and write? So that we can count the objects that we have with us. Okay? For example, if I have some chocolates and I want to know that how many chocolates do I have to count those chocolates, right? So that I can get an idea that how many chocolates actually I have.
ओके तो अपने को काउंट एंड राइट क्यों सीखना चाहिए? ताकि अपने को पता चले कि अपने पास जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो कितने नंबर में है, अपने पास एक्चुअली कितनी चीज़ें हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देखो मेरे पास मार्कर्स है, राइट. अभी मेरे को पता लगाना है कि भाई एक्चुअली मेरे पास कितनी मार्कर्स है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, उसको काउंट करूँगी, राइट. सो कम ऑन, लेट्स काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now I know that I have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 markers. In the same way, I have some candlesticks with me, right? Now I want to know that how many candlesticks do I actually have. So I will count it. Okay, come on, let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so now we know that we have 11 candy sticks. So with the help of counting, we can know that how many number of objects do we actually have. अपने को ये पता चलेगा कि अपने पास जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो एक्चुअली कितनी है, कितनी क्वांटिटी में है. ओके, सो इसलिए वी हैव टू काउंट एंड राइट. Now we are going to see some different examples. Okay, we have some pictures which we have on the board. We are going to count those pictures and we are going to write the number of the pictures which are drawn on the board. So students, you can see here there are some pictures of circles, right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to count these circles and we are going to write the number of the circles in this box. Come on, let's start counting. 1 2 3 4. Again, now we will count and we will cross them one by one. Come on, let's start. 1 2 3 4. So how many circles are there? Yes, there are 4 circles. Come on, let's write 4. See here, 1 2 3 4. So in this box we are going to write 4 and here we are going to spell 4. So what is the spelling of 4? Come on. F O U R 4. Again, F O U R 4. Now you can see there are some stars here, right? So like the circles, we are also going to count these stars. Come on, let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We'll count it again. Okay, come on, now count with me. Okay, come on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many stars are there? Yes, there are 8 stars. So come on, let's write in the box. 8. You can see here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so here we have wrote 8. Now let's write the spelling of 8. Come on. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Again. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Now what do you see here? Yes, there are triangles here, right? So now let's count all these triangles. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you also have to count with me, okay? Come on, let's start counting. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many triangles are there? Yes, there are 12 triangles. So let's write in this box 12. Yes? Come on, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Now let's write the spelling of 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Come on. Now repeat after me. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Now what do you see here? Yes, there are some candies, right? Yummy. Now let's count all these yummy candies. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Come on, now you count with me, okay? Come on, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. So how many yummy candies are there? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 candies. Yes? Now let's write the spelling of 3. T, H, R, E, 3. Come on. T, H, R, E, 3. Students, now next you can see there are some balloons here, right? So let's count these balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have to count with me, okay? We are going to cross them one by one and we will count them. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many balloons are there? Yes, there are 9 balloons. How many balloons are there? 9. Come on, let's spell 9. N, I, N, E, 9. Again, N, I, N, E, 9. Now you can see here, there are some squares given here, right? Come on, let's count this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, come on, we will count it again. You are with me, right? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So how many squares are there? Yes, there are 1, 4, 14 squares. 1, 4, 14 squares. Come on, let's spell 14. F O U R T E N. 14. Again, F O U R T E N. 14. Okay, now you can see here are some bricks. Come on, let's start counting all these bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now we all will start counting again, but we will do it together, okay? Come on, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So how many bricks are there? Yes, there are 17 bricks. Come on, let's spell 17. S E V E N T E N. 17. Again, S E V E N T E N. 17. Now here you can see there are so many smileys, right? Come on, let's count the smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on. Now we all will start counting together, okay? Come on. Are you all ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, how many smileys are there? Yes, there are 11 smileys. How many? 11. Again, we want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, let's spell 11. E L E V E N. 11. Again, E L E V E N. 11. Now students, what do you see here? Yes, there are some of the kites, right? Come on, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Now we'll count again. You have to count with me, okay? Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come on, let's write here 6. Do you know how to spell 6? Yes, it is S-I-X 6. Again, S-I-X 6. Now you can see here there are few diamonds, right? Come on, let's start counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come on. Now you have to count with me, okay? We are going to cross each one of this diamond and we are going to count them. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come on, let's write it here. 15. Okay, come on, let's see its spelling. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Again, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Now, what do you see here? Yes, there are so many chocolates, right? Yummy chocolates. Come on. Let's count all these yummy chocolates. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will count again, but this time you have to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come on, let's write here in the box. How many chocolates are there? Yes, there are 10 chocolates. Come on, let's see its spelling. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Now there are some ovals given here, right? There are so many ovals here. Come on, let's start counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, we'll count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, let's write in the box. How many ovals are there? 19. Come on, let's see its spelling. N-I-N-T-E-E-N 19. Again, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. That's all for today. You have to practice count and write at home, okay? We'll meet again in our next session. Bye everyone.